Marco, you made it!
Hi, Miranda. Yep, right on time. Wow, your place looks amazing.
Thank you. I did a bit of cleaning and decorating this morning. Come in, come in.
Here, I brought something for you. A small plant. I thought you might like it.
Oh, wow, it's adorable. I love plants. Thank you so much, Marco.
You're welcome. I remember you saying your window needed a little green.
You remembered. So thoughtful. Okay, let me take your bag. You can leave your shoes there.
Wow, this living room is beautiful. I love the cushions and the wall art.
I've been slowly adding things. It's still a work in progress. Make yourself comfortable. You can sit wherever you like.
Thanks. It feels really cozy, like a home, not just a house.
That's the goal. Would you like something to drink? Tea? Coffee? Juice?
I'd love a cup of tea, if it's not too much trouble.
Not at all. I was just about to make some masala tea. Okay?
Perfect. I haven't had masala tea in a while.
Great. It'll take just a few minutes. Meanwhile, here, take a look at this photo album. I found some old college pictures last week.
Oh no, this is gonna be fun. Let me see. Wow, look at this one. Your first drama performance.
Yes! I was so nervous that day, but it turned out to be amazing.
You look so confident in the picture. And this one, is this from our group trip?
Yes, that waterfall hike. Remember how we got lost?
Yes, and it started raining. That was a crazy day, but the best memories.
Totally. Okay, tea is ready. Let's go to the balcony. It's nice and breezy today.
Lovely idea. Oh, this balcony is amazing. I love the plants and the lights.
I come here every evening to relax. It's my peaceful spot.
I can see why. So calming. Cheers to your tea.
Cheers. So, how was your week?
Busy, but good. I had to finish a few client reports. What about you?
Pretty hectic, too. Teaching kids can be a handful, but fun.
You're amazing with kids.
You always have so much patience.
Thank you. I enjoy it most days. By the way, dinner's almost ready. Do you want to come in and help me set the table?
Of course, I'd love to help. Where are the plates?
In that top drawer, you can also bring the spoons and glasses.
Got it. Do you always cook on weekends?
Not always, but today I made rice, dal, and paneer curry. And there's a surprise dessert.
I'm already excited. And I must say, your home smells amazing.
Thank you. All right, table's ready. Let's eat.
Everything looks delicious. Can I serve the dal?
Please do. I'll serve the paneer. Don't be shy. Take more if you like it.
I'm going to eat like a king tonight.
That's the spirit. And after dinner, I've got a fun game we can play. It's a guessing game with English words.
Oh, now I'm really looking forward to it.
Let's eat first. Then we play and relax. It's a chill evening.
Thanks again for inviting me. This is the most peaceful evening I've had in a while.
You're always welcome, Marco. My home is your home.